the adrenaline is high, you understand? So let's go. MBONYI comes to Kenya every year. Thank you so much. So he's seen my video. Thank you so much. So as the Masai people of Kenya, we actually say that MBONYI is one of us. He's Masai because he looks like us. So we have a gift for us, and we are going to give you a name. For Masai people, this we call it Orika. It's a sign of leadership, and since you have shown leadership in worship and serving God, as the Masai people, we really love you, and we give you this as a sign of giving you power. Of course, you've always led us, giving you more power to lead us ahead in worship. And because you also saw that you love fedora caps, so we have one here with the Kenyan flag. So please allow me to give him.
Thank you. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as I take the picture. And now